Okay, here we go. Time to cut this. I hate this hair right now. I can't even remember the last time I tried to cut my own hair. But this is the before. Soon, you'll see the after. Okay, so the clipper looks like clippers I've seen before. It says oil blades before using, so I'll do that. And I also am going to go with the number 1 clipper to cut this down first, and then I'll go back and see if I need to trim it up and make it even shorter. So let's get that started. Okay, I took a quick break to show you how things are going so far. That's the back. Probably gonna have to stop shooting so that I can concentrate a little bit, but so far, not so bad. I don't think I need to quit my day job though. I think that's it. That's what I'm gonna go with. Not too bad. So this is what it looks like, top to bottom. I think it's okay. It's gonna be what I go with, at least for now, until I can get my hair cut professionally. I don't know, if I get better at this, maybe I'll just keep doing it this way.